Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone is not receiving text messages, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you a few easy ways to fix it, whether you're using iMessages or regular SMS texts. Solution 1. Airplane mode. Swipe down to open the control center. Turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix message delivery problems. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button together. Then drag the slider to power off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution 3. Check iMessage settings. If you are not getting iMessages, try this. Go to Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Again scroll down and find and tap on Messages. Turn iMessages off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Also make sure your Apple ID and phone number are showing under Send and Receive. Solution 4. Check SMS settings. If you are not receiving normal text messages, go to the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Again scroll down and find and tap on Messages. Make sure Send and SMS is turned on. Solution 5. Check blocked contact. Make sure you didn't accidentally block the sender. Go to Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Again scroll down and find and tap on Messages. Then tap on Block Contact. If their number is listed, swipe left and tap Unblock. Solution 6. Check carrier settings. Sometimes your carrier setting need an update. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Then tap About. If you see a message saying carrier setting update, then tap Update. Solution 7. Reset network settings. If nothing else works, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings. Again tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. This will remove Wi-Fi password but won't delete your data. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.